Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the workbook and select the range you will reference. You must know the exact bounds. You start by choosing whether you want one cell or an entire row or column. This changes how you call index. Next, set your row num and call num logic. Use one for the first row or column. If you plan dynamic lookup, prepare match formulas now to return numeric positions. Once done, place the index formula in the destination cell and keep the source range visible for testing. Start by writing index with the selected range. Leave row num or call num blank if you will calculate them. Then create match to find the numeric position. Match, lookup value, lookup range, 0, returns an exact match index. Insert the match call directly into index so the row or column argument is dynamic. Make sure your lookup range orientation matches the index argument, otherwise you will pull the wrong axis. Use absolute references if you will copy the formula across cells. Finish by testing several examples across your data. Confirm index returns expected values. If copying, lock the source range with $ or convert it to a structured table so references stay intact. If you see hash and /a, match did not find the lookup value, check for extra spaces, different data types, or unmatched case. Make sure to use IFER around index match to provide a friendly message or default value. When everything checks out, document the logic so others can maintain it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.